March 30th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, you will be experiencing much in the days and weeks ahead. When I say this is a new frontier you are embarking on, you must be open to divine energy. This energy transcends throughout the universe. This is not New Age thinking, for your higher consciousness allows you to expand your horizons. Light, then, my daughters, attracts light. When you expand your awareness, you are able to reach new levels of understanding. Many times I have said, all beings are responsible for one another. How they respond to one another. Do you respond as our Father would have us respond, or do you harbor a critical spirit? To cultivate a higher understanding, one then must take care lest they foster that which separates them from the divine. To be one with the universe, one with God, the ego must dissipate. That is why I say, you must die unto self. Do you understand, my daughters? Old ways must now be abandoned as you immerse yourselves in my spirit. It is through this heightened awareness you will emerge victorious. Not in the carnal sense, but in that which arouses your inner being, that which is the life thread to your soul. You are thinking of extrasensory perception, and in this you would be correct. This perception is a heightened awareness, which can only come when you allow your divine sense to dominate your being. There is a great responsibility which comes with this increased awareness as well as a newfound joy. When you begin to understand all are interconnected through spirit, then you can connect with an energy source you have yet to experience. Spirit transcends throughout the universe. Webster defines transcends as to triumph over the negative, to go beyond the material existence. Yes, little ones, all spirit is connected. To date, you have immersed yourselves in the third dimension. Now, through your heightened awareness, you will connect with spirit on a new plane. Yes, a new energy field. Transcendental meditation is simply tapping into a higher energy source. When prayers are directed in unison with the like spirit, this energy locks into a divine frequency. When large groups of individuals submit the same prayer, this energy becomes more powerful. This then is how prayer can bring about the desired results. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 140 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends or family or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.